Today we're reviewing the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop. This flagship model boasts incredible suction, innovative retractable navigation, and a highly automated dock for a hands-off cleaning experience. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's explore how the MOVA V50 performs in real-world scenarios, from vacuuming to navigating your home. This robot vacuum excels at picking up all kinds of debris, from pet hair to fine dust, making it highly effective on both carpets and hard floors. The innovative retractable navigation sensor allows the V50 to clean efficiently under low-profile furniture that many other robots often miss entirely. The integrated hot water mop washing system significantly reduces the need for daily manual mop maintenance, keeping it fresh for each cleaning cycle. The advanced mapping capabilities ensure the V50 navigates your home efficiently, planning optimal routes for comprehensive coverage of all rooms. The MOVA V50 is designed to handle demanding cleaning tasks, demonstrating strong performance across vacuuming, mopping, and smart home navigation. Considering its advanced features, let's break down the MOVA V50's value against its premium price. The comprehensive dock system truly minimizes manual intervention, making it an excellent investment for hands-off, automated home cleaning convenience. With its powerful suction and advanced anti-tangle brush, this robot is particularly well-suited for households with pets, effectively managing fur and dander. The complete package provides a generous supply of accessories, which adds long-term value by reducing immediate replacement costs for consumables. The MOVA V50 holds its own against established premium brands, offering comparable features and performance for a competitive flagship price point. The MOVA V50 offers significant value, especially for pet owners and those prioritizing advanced automation, stacking up well against competitors. Every complex device carries potential risks. Let's examine the main concerns for the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete. The sophisticated design, with its many moving parts and systems, introduces more potential points of failure compared to simpler robotic cleaners. Despite the automation, the dock still requires regular cleaning and attention to its water tanks, filters, and waste bags to function optimally. The advanced automated features rely heavily on reliable software and app performance, which are crucial for consistent and trouble-free operation. While MOVA's support network is improving, it has a shorter track record compared to more established brands in the robot vacuum market. Buyer risks largely stem from the product's inherent complexity and dock maintenance, with software and support being reasonably reliable. The MOVA V50 Ultra is an exceptional choice for large homes with pets, offering powerful cleaning and impressive automation. While its mechanical complexity and premium price point require commitment, the combination of strong suction, effective mopping, and innovative features like FlexiRise navigation delivers a truly convenient experience. This robot vacuum represents a strong buy for buyers prioritizing maximum automated cleaning.